awesome night sky. Did you know that there are millions and millions of stars in the universe? During the daytime, the sky is too bright for us to see the stars, but in the night time, they twinkle and shine. How many stars can you see? Our sun is a star. It's much closer to us than other stars, which is why it looks so big. The sun is so bright you must never stare at it. The sun is very important. It warms our planet and gives us light. It makes plants grow. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. Earth is just one of the planets that travel around the sun. The planets nearest the sun are very hot. The planets furthest away are very cold. On our planet, the temperature is just right. The planets closest to Earth shine in the night sky. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The moon is a ball of rock that travels around our planet. It's the biggest object in the night sky. We can see the moon because it reflects sunlight. As the moon goes around the Earth, we can see different amounts of the sunlit parts of the moon. This is why it looks as if the moon changes shape. A galaxy is a group of many stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe, billions. Our sun is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. We can sometimes see the middle of the Milky Way. It looks like a misty smudge across the night sky. A constellation is a group of stars that makes a pattern in the night sky. Long ago, people thought that if they joined the stars together, the shapes looked like people, animals, or objects. Orion is a famous constellation that can be seen from all around the world. Orion was a hunter in an old Greek story. Did you know that a shooting star is not a star at all? It is a piece of dust or rock called a meteor. This burns brightly as it falls through the atmosphere, the layer of gases around the Earth. When many meteors fall at once, they're called a meteor shower. Asteroids are large pieces of rock that are too small to be planets, but like planets, they travel around the sun. A comet is a huge lump of ice and dust that follows a huge oval path around the sun. When it's near the sun, it has a bright tail. Astronomers study the objects in space. They look at the planets that travel around the sun. They look at distant galaxies. They try to find out how stars begin and end. We do not yet know everything about the universe, but astronomers are helping us find out more. The universe is huge. Things we see in the night sky can be very far away. Astronomers use telescopes to see objects in space. The Hubble Space Telescope is in space. It helps us to see things much more clearly than telescopes on Earth. Another way of finding out about space is to go there. Spacecraft carry astronauts into space. Powerful rockets push them high above our planet, then they travel around Earth. Last century, astronauts landed on the moon. So instead of seeing the moon in the night sky, they saw the Earth. Sometimes you will see a bright light moving slowly across the night sky. This is the International Space Station. It's a place where astronauts live and work. The space station travels around our planet more than 15 times a day. In the future, humans hope to travel a very long way, but first they need to find out more about the universe. Space probes are spacecraft that go on long journeys into space. They send back information to Earth about what they find. Rovers are robot vehicles that explore the planet Mars. It's the nearest planet to Earth. One day, humans hope to live there. The end.